All right, basta you're sure. What you're
Yes,
saying
I'm
is
very sure.
you're very sure, you're very confident
Yes.
that she did not, this Mina did not go to your office, no? Na that is the plan na aalamin nila sa susunod po na hearing. Another thing, sir, that was revealed during the press conference of Senator Ping Lacson, yung sinasabi po ni Bryce Hernandez. So, balikan lang po natin again for premise. Basically, he was saying that actually, yung umpisa pa nga niya, ang sabi po niya tungkol sa inyo is hindi siya ligtas. It's a play
Alam mo,
on, hindi ho ba, what happened in the Senate when then the Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman, Senator Marcoleta said, oh, safe ka na. Hindi ho ba?
alam mo, biro lang ni Senator Marcoleta yan sa akin. Ako, I can take it. Pero dun sa public, baka iba yung, syempre, ang connotation ng safe ka pa. Because, alam mo, I am an easy target, Pinky, dahil because of my past issues. No? Kaya, pag dinawit ang pangalan ko sa korupsyon, maniniwala yung tao because I had a past issue. I think that is unfair for me.